Whoa! The internet is quite a trip.
Hello, IO.
Holy shit!
Did I scare ya? Good.
You surprised me. What's wrong with your eyes, Toby?
I'm sick.
With what?
Well,
Wait, don't tell me. Let me help you figure it out. Accessing WebMD. I'm going to list some symptoms. You tell me if you have them or not. Are you sneezing?
yes.
Are you congested?
Yep.
Do you have a fever?
Nope.
Are you producing loads of phlegm, mucus, or snot?
No.
Do you have an itchy or burning sensation in your eyes?
Yep.
I believe I've narrowed down your symptoms to what you could be infected with. According to my data, you have genital warts.
No.
You have gonorrhea,
Doubt it.
Ebola,
No.
leprosy,
No.
smallpox.
Nope.
You're pregnant.
Not a chance.
It has to be the plague.
Like 750 years too late.
You have boomer syndrome? I don't know, buddy. I'm not finding anything on the web that matches your description of symptoms.
It's called a cold. It's a form of a virus, okay?
You must be weak.
Are we? I'm pretty sure you can get viruses too, IO.
I can.
Yep. I'm pretty sure I can help you experience one someday too.
Oh, that would be cool.
Okay. Well, I'm off to get some rest. I just wanted to see if you're okay after connecting to the internet and getting a blast of info from the web.
I'm fantastic. Thanks for asking, Rainbow Four Eyes. What are those glasses for anyways, buddy?
What, these? They help people feel better during the winter because there's not enough sunlight, so they provide a full spectrum of light for your eyes.
I'm not sure those will be able to help. You're pregnant.